let's fill out the Minnesota Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps the signed one. Great. Let's walk through what you need to know about completing a boat bill of sale for this state. First, when it comes to signatures, all signatures on the bill of sale must be live ink signatures. That means no digital or electronic signatures. So make sure everyone signs in person with a real pen. Next, the bill of sale needs to capture the seller's information. So work through that section carefully between you and the seller. On the buyer's side, please complete the buyer's portion of the title. Don't skip this step, as it's an important part of the process. If there is a lien on the boat, please have the lien release with you as well. You'll want that documentation ready to go. And finally, regarding notarization, the DNR authorization form must be notarized, and that notarized form must also carry a live ink signature. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.